So this is figure that I will do after this. I will using multimeter this, and the color code, the resistor color code that I will use is, first band is brown, which is 1, second band is black, which is 0, third band is orange, the prefix kilo times with 3, and the tolerance is gold, which is 5%. Okay, so this is multimeter. Firstly, we need to find the multimeter. So go to the right, click the multimeter. So this is the multimeter. After that, go to the place button, this, and select component. Then then go to basic, find the resistor. So this, click OK, and then we got this in here. Then right click, select 90 o'clock clockwise, then change the value, which is this is 10K, and the tolerance is 5 from the value we got before this. Then select OK. Next, then go back to component, go to source, and find ground, this ground, and select OK. So we have 3 components here. Then we can connect all of them. Here the ground, and for multimeter, go in here. Okay, settle to connect off of them. Then we can click here to run it. Then click twice at multimeter to find the measured value. So click the ohm. Okay, then we get 10 kilo ohm. So this is the measured value we get for the resistor. So thank you. This is how we measure the resistor by using multimeter.